Hello, my name is Sixta Martinez. I live in La Madera, San Pelayo. I am married. I have two beautiful daughters. The older one is 11 years old and the younger is 10 years old. I study preschool education at Luis Amigo University in Monteria, and I work as a teacher. My greatest satisfaction is to work with children. The fact that I don't always teach them, but also I learn from them. I chose this topic because I think it's very important, since we must be aware of what is happening around us. In addition, one of the factors that causes global warming is the lack of awareness of people. Human activities, aerosols in the atmosphere, and radiation from the sun are some of the main factors that cause climate change. When we talk about global warming, this refers to the gradual increase in the temperature of the air and ocean atmosphere. I believe that human activities are primarily responsible for global warming. The emission of carbon dioxide from vehicles, the burning of fuels, the felling of trees and forests to buildings and shopping centers, the dumping of garbage on all sides, the excessive use of plastics, the smoke from factories, among other things. All these activities carried by humans are the main factor causing global warming. Some of the causes of global warming in our society could be drought, erosion, forest fires, erosion, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity are ecological problems closely linked to each other and result of various factors that have to do with the way the natural resources have been managed. More dangerous and powerful hurricanes, warming waters in the ocean add more energy to tropical storms, making them more destructive and intense. Glacier melting. Glaciers in the mountains are one of the main sources of fresh water around the world. Due to global warming, this large accumulation of ice are suffering changes. Changes in ecosystem altering the balance of nature and ecosystem due to pollutions of the seas and rivers. In my opinion, we should investigate a little more on the issue. We should all change our thinking and try to save our planet. Many fauna and flora dies because of global warming. It is a problem that we have caused. It is not a coincidence that the great polar ice caps and melting glaciers are breaking down. What is more, Every day, thousands of people die of hunger because their lands, which were once very productive, suddenly dried up and ran out of food and it's our entire fault. I would like to point out that the things that can be implemented to face up global warming could be: we should walk, drive, share the car, or use public transportation more often. We should avoid buying products with a lot of wrapping to reduce the amount of garbage. Plant trees. One tree absorbs 1 ton of carbon dioxide throughout its life and becomes part of the solution. Educate children on the value of ecosystem good and demand the long-term management of natural resources.